going in with my water powder serum.
You know, I love that.
I'm glad you love it.
I love
that would be
love
embarrassing
that.
if you didn't.
No, I love that. Get ready with us.
All right, we're going to dinner.
We are. So when you start getting ready, do you base it on your outfit, your mood, or what's your vibe?
I don't know, it's a little of both. I mean, tonight's dinner and I'm wearing a fuchsia jacket. So that's doing all the talking. So I'm gonna keep it minimal so the jacket really shines.
So you're doing outfit-based makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm wearing black and white, and I just want
you
like
can
a
do
statement lip, like clean makeup, but a statement lip.
I love that.
And blush.
I'm going for the, keep the shine away.
Oh, you're doing the lip balm. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that?
This is Topicals, the new Slick Sow.
I'm
Really
using
good.
the bronzing drops, the new ones, the Hue Glow, and this is so brown skin friendly. Like, look at that.
No, that's freaking gorgeous.
Like, I can just wear this. It is so lightweight. It just absorbs so fast, and I love that. Are you gonna spill some secrets and tell me what's coming new? What's up next?
I mean, I can give you a hint.
Okay.
I mentioned the color of my jacket today.
Yes, you did. Wait, are we getting like now I want to know, like.
Of course you do. I can't tell you. I'll have to kill you, and I love you too much. I love the colors of flowers in bloom.
I feel like that was also a hint. Okay.
All right, I'm doubling down on my blur.
Okay.
You know my obsession with bomb powder.
I know.
Right?
I'm blurring too.
Okay.
But in a different way a little
Let's
bit.
do a double blur.
Double blur. There we go. I love that you make 2-in-1 products. It's never like, oh, this is only do this. This will do this, and that.
Okay, I feel good. I'm gonna use bomb powder.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm using the concealer. That's just a thing now. I use
love it.
concealers. I like to dot conceal just in the places where I have redness. Believe it or not, people think I put a lot of makeup. That's all I'm going to use for coverage.
I love it. I'm all about less is more, and you know that.
Yeah.
I am gonna conceal a little bit. I'm using Vision Cream Cover.
And you're using that in your shade or lighter?
It's my shade.
And the fact that you did not use any color corrector and you went in and it's giving that
the
flawless.
Secret.
Wow.
A lot of people think they need color correctors, but you can just use something, the color
Right,
of
exactly.
what you need to correct. So
You
makeup
can-
has
no rules. Yeah, exactly.
I mean,
Actually,
we're aligned.
I
with
stand
that.
corrected. Makeup has no rules.
This is my hack. This brush.
This brush is literally iconic. No blending, no pressing, nothing required.
It's so fast.
Love
Like,
that.
I love a no makeup look, but I still want some dimension. So
Absolutely.
I'm just gonna use a lighter shade. Same brush. Just go right in.
And you know what other thing I've started doing? I use one brush to do the whole face.
Me too.
And I use this brush.
Me too.
It
You're
is
a
so
show-off.
easy.
I love it.
No,
it
it's
makes
just so
it easier.
easy. Yeah.
And I'm gonna hit my cheeks.
The fact that we both picked up the blush at the same time.
Okay, what are you using?
I'm using Golden Hour.
Oh my god, so I totally use Golden Hour every day, but today I'm using Prima Donna.
I know, which is my favorite shade, by the
know.
way. I can't. She went right in, okay, because that's the difference between a pro and an influencer. We need to be careful with this thing.
So I bring it across my whole cheek.
But those look like juicy dumplings now, literally.
I love a good dumpling.
Yeah,
I love a subtle cheek.
definitely. I mean, would you call this subtle?
Yeah, I think you're right in the middle.
She was like, yeah, subtle. Well, thank you for making it.
You're welcome. I'm gonna do a subtle eye, speaking of subtle.
Oh, you're using the Groundworks palette.
It's so
Fancy.
easy, like,
I made this. I'm going to use
I
this
got
right
this. I'm like, ooh, who me?
now. Would you be kind enough and share your Groundworks palette with me? Can I dip
Oh,
into?
of course.
Thank you.
Of course. That movement is that's hot.
Thank you. See, we get it. We think makeup is hard.
Yes. Yeah, just a little bit of something. My favorite place to get ready is, at home, in my robe, in my bathroom. I play jazz, I light a candle, I do the whole thing. Like, make it
Okay.
an experience.
You want to know how I get ready?
Rock and roll. Da-da-da-da-da.
No.
Right.
Between the poopy diapers and between doing the dishes, the 5 minutes I get, I'm like snatching my
How
face.
is the baby?
She's doing great. She's
my
like 10
God.
months old already.
She's a little chunky dumpling.
She
I
is.
love
She
it.
is. So for the lips, I'm gonna go in with a darker gloss and like put the lighter gloss right in the
Oh, I
center.
love that. Are you a trend person?
Trend Sarah, yes. See, I can do a apple girl. No, strawberry girl.
There's an apple girl. I missed that
I'm sure
one.
there is.
I'm gonna do an ombre lip. We're just doing it a little different.
So is it safe to say that we both like getting ready with our friends?
Yeah.
And not alone?
I think so,
Okay.
yeah. And I think, your friends will always egg you on. No, go for it. Do the green, You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You hype your friend up to do a little something extra.
Yeah, but sometimes it can get real crazy.
I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of powder. What are 3 beauty products you always have on hand?
Mascara, blush,
Yep.
a good blush.
Yep.
When I say good, I mean Danessa Myricks. And a lip gloss. Boom, boom, and boom.
I must have a brow. An easy one-step coverage, like something I could just throw in with my fingers.
Okay.
Now, the lip is important, right? Even if it's just a little gloss, I think a lip is important too.
I'm actually using your sculpted, the shade, to like sculpt my lips right now.
Oh, I love that. Now you're showing
So would you call
off.
this like a power lip?
Yes, this is definitely a power lip. I would have to say
Power
yes.
woman and a power lip in the room.
I need a fragrance. Can you pass me my fragrance over there? I love this, but I think I want to go with Cali.
I was keeping that for myself, but okay.
I'll share.
Okay, let's
I
share
don't
them.
mind.
Let's share them.
mean,
Have you tried out the flavors?
oh my, I have them all. I have every last one. Oh, did
Wow.
I get you?
No, I call it flavors. That smells so good. May I?
We're gonna
Thank
be
you.
in competition.
We are
tonight.
literally twinsies because we're gonna smell the same.
I'll get the excess.
There we go. What should we call your look? Okay, just name your look.
Can you name mine?
Okay, I'm gonna call it Dusky Snatch.
Oh!
I like colors flowing. It's so sexy
Ooh, I love
and
it.
snatched.
Sahara Sunrise.
Oh, I love that. Okay, I love that.
I'm so excited for tonight.
I'm so glad we did this together. And yeah.
See you guys. Thanks for hanging with us.